I'm going to show you how to change the cover of your Facebook business page. We did an extensive video, and actually it is on YouTube, or it's on Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab site. And it was all about how to use Canva to create a graphic for your whatever. And we did everything from business cards to a PDF that could be used as an ebook, to a birthday card, to graphics for a Facebook post, your banner in YouTube, wherever you need graphics. And that's pretty much everywhere where your brand is visible. So anyway, let us go, and I'm going to minimize this screen and take you to my Facebook page. So I have a couple of business pages on here, but I'm going to go to Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab, which is my primary business page for teaching courses and promoting what I do. So anyway, this is my cover. And this is the little side cover that you also get to customize. So see this little box right here at the left top of your cover image? That is what we're going to change. And if you have something up there that you love, but you haven't changed it in maybe a year or two, it might be time to make a change. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, I've got my cursor over that, and I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to upload from photos or videos. And did you know that you can have a video as your cover page? There are some limitations on how long it can be. I think it can be up to 90 seconds, but a 15-second video, a 30-second video, as long as it's engaging, why not try a video? So let's go to an image, upload a photo or video, and I'm going to choose an image. And let's say I put one in here from Canva that I really like. Actually, I don't know that I have one. I should have prepared one for you in advance that I just created. But anyway, when you do your image or your graphics for your Facebook cover in Canva, it allows you to put it on a template that has been customized for the right size for a Facebook cover. So you know the dimensions are going to be right. And I may pause this video and come back. That one's not going to be the right size. I need to do one just for the right dimensions. Let's see if this one might possibly be the right size. This is going to work. And actually, I might use that for a little while. This is the introduction with the contents of what's in my free 5-day course. So I'm thinking, all right, I'm promoting that right now. Why don't I put that up there? And by the way, I didn't make this in Canva, but I could if I wanted to. So I suggest you start out, because the size is a really critical part of this. Otherwise, you're going to have an image on there that maybe only half of it showing because you didn't do it in the right dimensions. The size is critical. So I'm just going to put this up here for the fun of it, and you can move it around a little bit if you need to correct just a bit, but I'm going to click save, and voila, I now have a new photo cover for my Facebook page. How easy is that? So if you didn't watch my video on Canva and how to use that, go back to the video. Actually, I'm putting it up today on Facebook, so it will be there. So anyway, that's it. I wanted to show you how easy this was to do. So no excuse to have a boring, yucky Facebook cover page. Bye for now. See you next time.